With the pivot tables function, QuickRows simplifies their construction to perform advanced analysis, including slicers to control all the tables created in a single sheet, and advanced filters to perform detailed data segmentation. This is a list of 20,000 invoices with the usual columns. The amount column totalizes exactly 10 million for data verification purposes. Let's create a couple of tables. In the first one, we will make a count of invoices per customer, and in the second one, we will totalize their amounts. The pivot table function contains several fields. We will see how each one works through the examples. It is really simple. To create a new table, we select at least one column to perform row totalization. A selection in this field indicates that we want to create a new table. Let's select the customers column. Notice that the count operation has been defined. It's okay for our first table. That's it. After pressing the Go button, we get the expected result, as well as a slicer to perform data segmentation. Let's aggregate the second table, totalizing the amount column. This time we choose the sum operation and repeat the row selection to totalize the customers, as well as the amount column to be inserted as a data field. QuickRows identifies all the numeric columns in the listing and groups them in this field. When there is only one numeric column, and the sum operation has been preset, it is pre-selected automatically. We will also aggregate some slicers to improve our analytical capabilities, for example, the vendor and the region columns. Now we just press Go. Perfect. We have a second table and the requested slicers. Let's aggregate a third table. This time we will create a two-dimensional table with the description and the region columns. That's it. We can verify how all the tables are synchronized when the slicers are pressed. This is one of the marvels that makes Excel such a fantastic tool. The fourth table will totalize vendor sales for each quarter. We specify the desired summarization level in the second field. The default value is summarization by months, but we will change it to quarters. When we press the Go button, the new table is added. If we handle the slicers, we will detect an error. One of the tables can't be expanded to its original size due to the addition of the last table. We can correct this situation easily with the red button. When it is activated, you simply indicate the number of the starting table to be erased. For example, if you insert the number 2, then tables 2, 3 and 4 will be erased. However, the default value, 4, is okay in our case. Let's deactivate the slicers to restore the tables to their original size before repeating the construction of the fourth table. Now we set the parameterization again easily. Okay. Our 4 tables are now working coordinately, as we can verify. Let's see what we can do with the advanced filters. They allow us to pre-select a subset of the rows in the original listing to feed the tables. Only the matching rows will be totalized. The real power behind these filters is that we can select embedder text to narrow our selection. For example, suppose we want to analyze only the components from a single vendor, Xerox. This brand appears in multiple products, so it would be complicated to select each product using the slicers, so we feed in the text and press the Go button. As simple as that. Observe that all the tables have been filtered and the slicers have been adjusted automatically, so we can totalize only the invoices containing Xerox products easily. To remove this filter, we just erase such text and press the Go button again. As you can see, the combination of all these settings allows building powerful pivot table structures to analyze your information in no time.